right, we are here at the Architectural and Design Building here at Lawrence Tech University in Southfield, Michigan. There's the machine room over there. Let's just see if it's open real quick. Nope. You can hear the sound of the submersible pump. Anyway, let's take a ride on the elevators. This panel looked like originally it was going to have some other buttons. This could have been a main floor button with the fire service and the buttons. Which one do you want to?
3, please.
Have a good one. Yep. Thanks. These look to be ThyssenKrupp impulses. Let's go to 4. Maybe this is Thyssen Dover, because those brails right there, those are Dover brails. Let's get the other elevator and we'll find out, see if the label's in there. Phone. And the other elevator is now going up. It's got the bumper. So as I was saying earlier, this could have been a panel that was designed for the main floor where it'd have down button, up button, and fire service. Kind of had to abruptly end that because someone was waiting to get on the elevator. Anyways, let's get the left elevator and we'll take that one for a ride. These are ThyssenKrupps. They just have the different brails for some reason. Phone. Stopping on 2. Going up?
Yep.
Which one are you going to?
4.
4? Here you go, have a good one.
Thank you.
I'll end the video on 1. Let's get a cab, 2,100 pound capacity, so these are a little bit tinier than the typical Oildraulic installations. Typically they're 2,500, but there's every now and then a few installs that are 2,100 pounds. Door close works after a certain period of time. There's the bumper. All right, and that will be it.